Hi, I'm Ray. This is the gardening channel with Ray. And I'd like to first thank everybody for all the best wishes that they've given us, to my wife who suffered with COVID over the last couple of weeks. So I thank everybody, everyone on YouTube and everybody on my Facebook group. Thank you very much, and good progress. She's now recovered and we're soon under the quarantine. Will be open, so we're allowed out and we'll be able to get down into the allotment. But today we're in the back garden, we're just listening to the birds. But I'll show you a quick tour around the garden, what's going on there. So this is the hyacinth bulbs, and the weeds start to come out. As we can see now, the stems coming out now. We've even got sunflower growing out of this one. We still have a couple of tomatoes growing on for this tomato plant that's rather died, and we've also still got some chard and growing in the same pot as the poached eggplants. These were in a hanging basket that was above them. They self-seeded into the chard. We've still got some buds on the fuchsias, and this bacopa is still in flower. We thought all the roses are gone, but now we've got a new wave of roses coming through. And this has gone just crazy. It's supposed to have climbed up, but it's climbed across. But there has been some nice colours. And we can see the buds I think this is a rhododendron. The wisteria above the arch, it's gone pretty crazy, and we're due for a cut February, but it's actually making my framework on my arch tip over, so that's not so good. You've got to beware, it's a bit of a beast. So these have just come out recently too, with new buds on the roses. And we're in late November. The buds are coming out on these, and I can't remember at the moment exactly what they are. But the buds are coming through. So if we take a look at the camellia, we can see we've got quite a few buds already growing on here. Which is really good. We look forward to seeing this This has been here for around 2 years, and it was just a little plant about this tall when it went in. So that's doing really well. Very decorative. So the pumpkin feeder's been doing well. And the slight flaw in the one there is where the face was. It's gone a bit mushy, but still the bird's been enjoying the seeds. And one unusual item we have in the greenhouse is our garlic, and this is grown in a bottle of water, and we can see all the roots. So thank you for watching, and please subscribe, ring that bell, and I better get on, finish cutting this grass, give it a tidy, and call it a day. So thank you very much. Cheers.